We turn now to no charges in a deadly shooting at the Shively Animal Clinic. It is a case that continues to stir controversy today after police released surveillance video of the shooting.
WDRB's Hayden Rostevsky shares why a legal expert says the grand jury did its job. Hayden.
We're going to show you that clinic surveillance footage again. We are not identifying the shooter because she has not been charged with a crime. She's wearing orange in the video you're about to see. This video from the clinic lobby on May 14th shows the shooter's spouse holding her back as she argues with staff members. That's when 21-year-old Trent T.J. Taylor walks in. He worked at the clinic and joins the conversation standing beside his mother. The argument heats up after he tosses his medical gloves in a trash can, then hits the woman in the head. Then he puts his fists up. As he heads outside, he hits her again. She pulls out a gun and shows it to Taylor. Taylor is then seen shoving the woman with a traffic cone. This view through the door showing Taylor fighting with the woman's spouse. Then staff members are outside trying to break up that fight when the woman fires her gun. Taylor died at the hospital, and yesterday we learned a Jefferson County grand jury did not find enough evidence to charge the shooter with a crime. Louisville attorney Thomas Clay believes Kentucky self-defense statutes were interpreted correctly in this case and says the grand jury did its job.
I know this situation has generated a lot of public controversy. It's difficult really for anybody in the public who wasn't involved in the investigation or doesn't understand the grand jury function to appreciate what actually happened here. This could be one of those examples where you could cite as a situation where the system actually worked.
The Jefferson County Commonwealth's attorney released a statement saying the evidence in the case demonstrated that Trent Taylor was shot and killed after he was the initial aggressor, saying the shooter used deadly force in self-defense. Taylor's family, though, tells WDRB they feel robbed of justice. Clay did add that it is incredibly rare that no charges of any kind are filed after a homicide. Hayden Rostevsky, WDRB News.
Hayden, thank you.